The Omoluabi people, whom by now you know are the Yoruba people, they are originally the Omoluabi people. The Omoluabi people say, in fact, they have several sayings for the piece of wisdom that we're about to share. They say that Ìgbà ò lọ bí òréré, ayé ò dúró sójú kan, ayé ò rí bí ọ̀pá ìbọn, bóni ṣe rí ọ̀la lè mọ́ rí bẹ́ẹ̀ ló mú babaláwo dífá ojoojúmọ́, ìgbà là ń ní ẹnìkan ò lólé ayé gbó, ọba mẹ́wàá, ìgbà mẹ́wàá ló nílé ayé, and so on and so forth. They have 1,000 sayings probably for that one concept. And the concept is that time is dynamic and time changes. In short, nobody is on top forever. There is nobody who reigns forever, and there is nobody who is king forever. 10 dispensations, 10 different kings. Those who were on top yesterday are not those who are on top today. Those who are on top today will not be those who will be on top tomorrow. You know this. There is nothing that I've said to you that is strange to you or that you've not heard before. The problem is that we forget and we act as if we'll be on top forever. It's always amazing to me when I see people, especially, and this with respect, not only younger people, but this with respect. It's amazing to me when I see younger people who've had a taste of stardom and are in the limelight, when I see them get arrogant and, they step all over people, especially people who've been in the game before them. There was somebody there before you. There will be somebody there after you. All you will have at the end of the day is your legacy of respect. Respect other people. You will not always be on top. Being on top is by grace. That is one thing. The second thing I'd like to say before we go is something that Jesus said.